what happens when the results become pass or fail? So,
Yeah, so the step one has been transitioned to pass or fail from January 26. The thing is that what happens is that it actually in a way it helps, but in terms of IMG perspective, it'll make like actually what we are actually we have to prove ourselves in a better way. Like what happened is that like IMGs tend to have a good scores in step one because it was an objective assessment. So like step one, what after it becomes pass or fail, what happens is that the more emphasis will go to obviously step two scores, because like there are only two objective assessment or objective ways of assessing left, that is step two and step three. So like other apart from that, it also gives you an opportunity to work into the CV, like to get involved in research projects, to find good LORs. Like I think I have mentioned it, the main core part of an application to the USMLE, that is the ERAS, like we submitted in ERAS, the main core part is the letter of recommendations. So how do you get this letter of recommendations? Like from doing clinical rotations in the US, that is what I said. And like that, those actually matter. So like when this becomes pass or fail, the advantage is that people have less burden on the scores, and people will what even IMGs as well, they'll focus more on the research aspect and clinical subjects more, and they'll work on their CV such that their application becomes when you look at the application as a whole, it actually will add benefit, like add to the benefits. Like it will push the IMG applicants harder, and I think that it was mainly done to like what to say recruit uh, like qualified applicants, quality applicants.
okay, okay.